So hello everyone. So in this video we're going to solve a LeetCode medium question number 443, which is about string compression. So let's see what the question is. So we have given an array of character. Let's name it cas. So we need to compress it using the following algorithm. So what is the algorithm? So we'll begin the string. We'll begin the empty string s, and for each group of consecutive repeating in characters, if the group length is 1, we'll append a character to the string or s, whatever the character is. Otherwise, if the group length is less or greater than 1, then we will append the characters followed by the group length. Like suppose we have given a character input like char equals to a b b c c c. In this case, we will return a. Then the next block will write the length of the particular string, like how many times 2 have occurred. Then we will write the next character, then length of that character, then next character, the length of that character. So the compressed string s should not repeat separately. Okay, this is the case, but instead in the input character array cas. Okay, that's fine. We have to note that the group lengths that are 10 or longer will split into multiple characters. So we can get it by an example. Like suppose we have given an array which is a and b 10 times or 11 times b. In that case, where the problem input is a and 10 times b, we will write a, then size of a. What is the size of a? 2. So a comma 2, then we will write b, and the length of b is 10, so we won't write 10, we will write 1 comma 0. That's the case. Okay, and one more thing, that when we need to you apply the algorithm, we need to stop the algorithm at some way. So we will add a special character that will just stop that our loops end here. So we'll see the solution. So first, this is the vector we have made. Now we'll make a character dot pushback. Yes, this means that this is the last character. After that, we will come out of a loop. Then we have make ans. When first we'll assume that minimum the number of total character or length of any character would be 1. Okay, so we'll start with total equals to 1. Then if the character is equals to the last character, like suppose listen, when we will get to know that the character has more than one length if the next character is also the same. Like in this case, if we have one a here and a here, can we just check that if in the second array, or let's say in the first index, if the first index is same as the zeroth index, or we can say I minus 1 index is equals to I index, in that case we can say that they are having a group. Okay, so if they are having a group, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, we'll move to the next one. If it is not the same, like this is not the same with this, like this case, b is not equals to a. In this case, we will check whether the particular group has one element or it has more than one element. Like suppose in this case, if it has one element, then we'll just push back the character I minus 1 and the total will be 1. Okay, that would be the case. But if the element or the total is more than 1, then we will just first we will try to mention what is the length, and suppose we get the length which is less than greater than 10, then we'll apply the rule which I told you earlier, that if it's 10, then we'll split uh, the character in multiple characters. So this would be the case. Then we'll last assign that total equals to 1, because we have to mention whether we have used it or not. Then we will return the ans size, and we will return the characters which is equals to answer. So this is the case. If we try to run the code, just let's check whether we are getting any error or not, or let's see. It's working. Like, can we make our own test case? Yeah, let's make our own test case, like a comma, I'm just writing this, comma a, and let's become speed, like control C, control V, 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 control V. How many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's end this because that type of example was not given in the example section. So we're using this. Okay, okay. So we have used 11 A's. So yeah, the group we are using is of A, that's fine. And how many A's are there? 11 A's are there, and we can write that by 1 and 1. That's simple. Okay, so I think this question is totally clear to you. This is a LeetCode medium level question, string comparison 443. So that's it for this question. Thank you so much.